I'm often asked, where do African numerals come from? Is it something that is just made up in modernity? And actually, African numerals are a revival of an ancient numeral system that can be traced back to ancient Kemet or ancient Egypt. So here you'll see that these were the original symbols used in antiquity, where the tally marks uh, represent the quantity of one. And this symbol here, which people mistaken as a horseshoe, is actually, it represents a house. It represents the ancient Kundi and Guni houses throughout Africa that have have dome-shaped tops. They're called beehive huts, I believe, in South Africa. But they also represent the African arch, which is an arch that was created in Africa to help disperse weight. So the African arch is used to represent a quantity of 10, and it represents a group of 10. Now, what's interesting as well is that the term house is also used synonymously with the cupels or the cups that are on the African abacus or the Mancala board. Throughout all of Africa, Africans traditionally call those cups houses, and it represent place value. So here we have the number 10 and then 1, and which is interesting because it also matches the counting system that are often used. Like, so for instance, in Swahili, the word 10 is kumi. And I believe in South Africa, shumi. So it seems like there was a universal math system throughout ancient Africa, and it can be seen in this numeracy system where we have converting this symbol in English, it would be 10, 1. And the language dynamic is important because in Swahili, this would be kumi na moja, which means 10 and 1. And this would be kumi. I'm going to trace that. Na mbili. Na meaning and mbili meaning 2. So that would be kumi na moja and kumi na mbili. Well, here's another example of kumi na mbili. So drawing the African Kundi and Guni house, or the African arch being kumi, and then na and mbili translates into English as 10-2.